The UH-60 Black Hawk is a multi-role military helicopter designed by Sikorsky. It has been in service with the U.S. Army since 1979 and is one of the most recognized helicopters worldwide. Key features: crew of 4 and can carry up to 11 fully equipped soldiers. Reaches speeds of up to 280 kilometers per hour, 174 miles per hour, and can lift 2,220 kilograms, 4,900 pounds of cargo. Used for various missions: assault, transport, medical evacuation, and search and rescue. Global presence: it's in service with over 60 countries and is known for its durability in harsh conditions. Weapon systems: equipped with machine guns, rockets, and missile systems. The UH-60